In this final video, we are going to now learn how to combine our data sets. So we have the golf courses buffer and the unsuitable land uses buffer. Both of them were buffered at 1969 feet, but now we want to combine them into one kind of no-go, no-fly, no-design zone for pollinator habitat in order to best protect the species that we're trying to save and conserve and enhance. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to geoprocessing and we're going to go to merge, and if you open up the help, it'll show you what this does, and it actually combines multiple input data sets of the same data type into a single new output data set. And what this does is it kind of eliminates those overlaps, just like we did in the buffer where it kind of merged them all together and there's just kind of a single geography zone. And so we're going to use this little drop down arrow to input our data set. We're going to click on golf courses buffer, unsuitable land uses buffer. We're going to go to our folder down here and save it. And I'm just going to call this no go. You could call it unsuitable. And then I'm just going to call it no go habitat areas. Click Save, and I'm going to click OK. And then when you have this merge set, it will have merged the two together, and I'll turn off the other two, and you'll be able to see that we have these kind of merged features here. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and symbolize this as bright red and no outline color, so that way it looks a little bit something like this. So that way when we get into our design phase, which will be the assignment after this one, we can begin to start looking back through our data sets where we look at our habitat assessment, where high quality habitat is, but it might be impacted by the surrounding unsuitable land uses. We could look at where suitable land uses are, which we're going to get to in the next series of videos. And we can begin to design knowing our socioeconomic factors, where poverty is, and how our design impacts. So we'll start tailoring all this stuff moving into the final assignment. That concludes the Boolean processing suitability videos. Thanks.